Good afternoon, thank you for looking at Lusker Mitsubishi's walk around video Outlander 3 diesel that we have. This is the late 68 plate on a 2018. It's a bit rare, this one, because it's the last of the diesel Outlanders that they do, so they're a little bit sought after. All the new Outlanders now are all petrol or either PHEV technology. This one obviously being sought after being a diesel because it does over 50 miles to the gallon. It's got a few little extras on this one. First being Orient red metallic paint. Your second, you've got the chrome door handles on it. And your third, you've also got a thing called a Pro Pack on it, which basically comes with the mud flaps, carpet mats, door entry guards, boot protector as there. And if I just open the back here, you get a boot tray as well. But this is where this party trick is. So if we take that out, just a protector, and then pull that little handle, voila. Voila. Just turned your nice family estate car into a 7-seater people carrier. I'll move you around here. Car, like I say, it's only done a tad over 15,000 miles, so as you would expect with a car of that mileage, it's very, very clean and tidy. It's had one service done. It's also got 2 services left on the Mitsubishi service plan, which can be done at any Mitsubishi dealer in the country. It goes on the registration of the vehicle, not the customer. So next lucky person to buy this one, you've got 2 years free servicing paid on as well. I'll take you inside so you can actually see the dash and everything. As you can see there, with it being the 3, it has a cloth interior. It's a manual 6-speed, 4 electric windows, electric mirrors. You've got a multifunction steering wheel on this one. This side does all your Bluetooth for your phone and phone call answering and radio volume and so on, and clicking through radio stations. And then at the other side, you've got the cruise control, which is a must nowadays with all the speed cameras. And you've also got a speed limiter there, which once you set it to desired speed, it won't go above that speed. You've got auto lights, auto wipers. You've got digital climate control in the middle there. And it's dual side as well, so if your passengers are on your cold, you can have them at different temperatures. And then also down here, you've got the fully selectable 4-wheel drive. So you can basically bring it round in 2-wheel drive in summer when it's not needed. And then when driving conditions change, just press of a button. As long as you're below 62 miles an hour, it'll quite easily click in and out of 4-wheel drive for you. Like I said, you've got 3 rows of seats in this one. You've got the back seats there, occasional seats at the back, but it's still 7 seats all the same. I hope you've enjoyed the video, and if you would like to arrange a test drive or a viewing, by all means just give us a shout. Thank you very much for watching.